Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to construct the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So to review what a perpendicular bisector is, if we have line segment PQ, as we have here, the perpendicular bisector is of course one thing, it's perpendicular to PQ as we see with its right angle here, and at the same time it cuts PQ exactly in half, hence the term perpendicular bisector. Now, a property of this perpendicular bisector is that every single point on the perpendicular bisector is equal distance to P as it is to Q. So if we look at this point that we have, we see that this distance is going to be equal to that distance. We can really see that because by drawing this line and that line, we actually create two triangles that are exactly the same. And that will be true for any point on this line. On the other hand, if we take a point which is not on the line, for example, take this point, then we see that the distance from P to Q is not equal. In fact, any point to the right of this line will have the distance P being larger or greater than the one to Q. So, let's now get to the construction of line segment PQ. I'm going to pick 2 points, this one and that one. I'll call this P, I'll call that Q. I'll draw the line segment like that. And what I'm now going to use is my compass. And that's not my compass, that's this thing. So then check this out, I'll put this on there. I'll then adjust this, and I want to adjust it in such a way that it's at least halfway to Q. If I do it here, it won't work. So I want it like between halfway to Q. I'll do it like right here. I'll then draw, and notice I don't have to draw a full circle, just a half a circle is fine. And then I'm going to move this, and as I move it, it's important to not adjust your compass. So if this arm moves, then it won't work anymore. So once you've drawn this half circle, make sure that your compass does not move. So now I'm going to bring it over here, and I draw it again, and that's it. And now I can draw the line. Which goes through both of those. Actually, just a little bit like that. That's okay. I'm drawing the line. And this is the perpendicular bisector. And to actually finish it, to make sure that we've drawn the perpendicular bisector, we must put the following markings. We must say that this is, make that a bit bigger, that this is perpendicular, and also that it is a bisector. And that is how you construct a perpendicular bisector.